Alright, what is going on, guys? Today we're going to be working on a project in Python, Lens Slice. You work at Lens Slice, a new pizza joint in the neighborhood. You're going to use your knowledge of Python lists to organize some of the sales data. Now let's go ahead and make some pizza. To keep track of the kinds of pizza you're going to sell, create a list called toppings that holds the following. So we just have to create a list with all of that on there. So let me just go ahead and quickly do that. So to create a list, you do the name of the list equals, and then the brackets, and then we're gonna simply do this. And yeah, so just to save time, we did copy and paste, but I think you guys can think of other toppings. All right, there you go. Done. Now to keep track of how many kind of pizzas a pizza slice costs, create a list called prices that holds the following integer values. Okay, so prices equals 2613272. Alright, your boss wants you to do some research on the $2 slices. Count the number of occurrences of the $2 of 2 in the prices list and store them in a variable called num $2 slices. Num $2 slices equals prices dot count 2, and then find the length of the toppings list and store it in called num pizzas. So num pizzas equals len of toppings. And then print the string, we sell num pizzas, kinds of pizza. Okay. So print, and then we sell plus num pizzas plus different kinds of pizza. Alright. What did we do wrong? Must be string, not an int. Right, okay. Keep forgetting that we do have to encapsulate this as a string. We sell different kinds of pizza. Cool, because there's 7 different types of toppings. Okay, next, use the existing data about the pizza toppings and prices to create a 2-dimensional list called pizza and prices. So equals this. And then we'll have our 2 pepperoni actually I'm just gonna do it like normal so it'll be easier to read. Yeah, we'll just copy paste it. One, two, three, four, five, six, one more, 7. Okay, and then it's 6 pineapple. Then it's 1 cheese. Then it is 3 sausage, it's 2 olives, and then it's 7 anchovies, and then finally 2 again, and it's going to be mushrooms. So I got the data from this table here, and then for this new list, make sure the prices come before the topping name, like so. Price and topping name, yep. Note that you don't need to use the original toppings and prices list in this exercise. Create a new dimensional list from scratch. Okay, yeah, we just did that. Next, print the pizza and prices. Does it look like what you expect? Print. And yep, it looks like what we expected. So that's good. And then sorting and slicing the pizza. So sort pizza and prices so that the pizzas are in the order of increasing price, ascending. Okay, so sort dot sort. Okay, and then store the first element of the pizza and prices in a variable called cheapest pizza. So do cheapest pizza equals yeah, just the first element, so 0. Okay. A man walks into the pizza store and shouts, I will have your most expensive pizza. Get the last item of the pizza and prices list and store it in priciest pizza. Priciest pizza equals the pizza and prices and the -1. Looks like the most expensive pizza from the previous steps was our last anchovy slice. Remove it from the pizza and prices list since the man bought the last slice. So we can do dot pop. Since there is no longer an anchovies pizza, you want to add a new topping called peppers. To keep your customers excited about new toppings, here's what your new topping looks like. So add the new peppers pizza topping to our list, pizza and prices. Make sure to position it to relative to the rest of the sorted data in pizza and prices, otherwise our data will not be correctly sorted. Right. So what we'll do is we'll do insert, and we'll insert this, and then we can literally just sort again. Pizza and prices, and we can just sort again. Takes exactly 2 elements given, right? Okay, so yeah, right, okay. So let's print it out here. We go ahead and print out pizza and prices. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, so it should be, let me count. At what place should it be? So it's gonna be 0, 1, 2, 3. It should be in the 4th element. So it should be 4, 1. Save, and then we'll just print it out. And that looks correct to me. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2.53. That looks correct. Okay, and then there's mice. Three mice walk into the store. They don't have much money because they're mice, but they do want different pizzas. So slice the pizzas and prices list to store the three lowest cost pizzas in a list called three cheapest. Three cheapest equals pizza and prices, and then we can slice it as 0 through 3. Great job. The mice are very pleased and will leave you a 5-star review. Now print out the three cheapest list. So we'll do print three cheapest. And we get cheese, mushrooms, and olives like so. So there you have it. That was Lens Pizza's project Lens Slice Pizza project in a nutshell. Just working with lists, really using everything that we know so far about lists, putting it together and creating this project. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you're looking for internships or jobs, check out the top link in the description. I'll show you how I got mine and tips to get yours. But with that being said, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.